The sky is blue. We have a light breeze. Everywhere I look, it's green. It can only mean one thing. Allotment 25. Welcome back. Gloves ready. Scissors ready. Veggie tray ready. Let's go harvesting. I think my courgettes might be ready. Let's go and see what's going on. Oh yes, I can already see there's one ready there. Let's have a look at that. Oh yes, that's a decent size. That's definitely ready to be eaten. How do I take this out? Do I just turn it? Ah yes, just like that. Like that. Lovely. I think there might be another one here. Yeah, I think, you know what? Nah, I'll leave that. Nah, why not? Let's take it. Just one twist. And here we go. Any more? I'm sure there's another one here somewhere. Oh my God, what's happened to this one? Look at the size of that. Wow, that's gone from a courgette to possibly a marrow. Blimey. Can I? Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Damn. Look at that. Right. Let's go to the next section. Okay, what do we have? I wonder if there's any strawberries I can get. Oh yeah, look, I can see a few red strawberries. Let me just put the courgettes down. I'm gonna need my scissors. Let's just cut this one off. The last strawberries I took, I gave them to my son, the youngest one. Loved it. He was kind enough to share one with me and my daughter, so that was pretty good of him. Any more? Okay, no, they're not quite ready yet. There's a lot of weeds here, so I might have to come back and get rid of the weeds. Okay, look, there's one ready there, so let's just snip that off. There we go. Okay, and there you go. That's a nice one there, so let's grab that one. That's all we're getting for now. Plenty of strawberries, just not quite ready yet. No problems. Let's put these in here. Lovely. Do you know what? Let's go and have a look at my cucumbers. Pretty sure they must be ready straight away, guys. I can see. Look. Wow. Lovely. Let's have that. How do I just twist it, or do I have to cut it? Do you know what? Let's be safe and let me just snip it off. There you go. My first ever cucumber. Good size. Well done. I've got a little baby one here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this off. Then by doing that, it will allow the other cucumbers the energy that they need to grow. At the moment, this is taking everything and it's right at the bottom. That's what I've been told by experts. As you know, I'm just an amateur. I'm just learning as I go. So I'm happy to concede to the experts. Oh, look, there's another one. Okay, I've got a feeling as soon as I give this a bit of a snip, here we go, that's a bit of picture, it's gonna drop. There you go. Sorry mate, that. Not bad. Yeah, look at that. Plant's looking good. Plenty more baby straw cucumbers on there. Now that I've taken the main ones off, hopefully that will allow the baby ones to grow and more harvest. I believe my coriander plot might be ready for harvest, so let's have a look. Yes, definitely ready. Look at that. So I need your advice. Maybe let me know in the comment for next time. Some people have told me I just need to snip it like that, and others have told me that actually I need to pull them out from the root like that. I don't really know, so maybe let me know in the comments what's the best way, so next time I'm harvesting my coriander I can do the right way. But for now I'm just going to pull them from the root. I think that might be the easiest way for now. So yeah, let's just go for it. Okay, what I'll do, guys, it's quite a large plot. I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me for the next 5 minutes just pulling out coriander. So I'm going to try and see if I can pause this recording. I'm going to try my best. It's my, as you know, I'm not an expert at these things. But I've got a feeling, just in case I fail and I lose you guys, I'll just thank you now for joining me. This is just some of the stuff that I've managed to harvest today, so not bad. I'll try and get the rest of the coriander, but just in case I do lose you, I just want to thank you all for joining me today, showing me your love. Please continue to do so by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Hopefully as soon as I've finished taking all the coriander out. But if I fail and I lose the recording, then thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Peace, be good, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye.